Hi everyone, this is Veronica and today we are going to discuss about National Medical Device Promotional Council because government has just thought to start, they have announced to set up National Medical Device Promotion Council. So what are the objectives, what are the challenges in front of and what is the significance of this council we will discuss in detail. For my video updates you can follow me on Instagram and the PDF of this lecture will be uploaded on my Facebook profile. So guys, if you're preparing for any government exam, our pen drive and tablet courses are also available. For additional information you can visit our website or you can call on these numbers given on the screen. So all my videos explanation are available in Hindi and English in both of these languages. So what is the relevance for the objective level, like if you're giving UPSC or any government exam where the MCQs are asked about NMDPC, its expansion could be asked, what are the provisions, what is it for can be asked, and for subjective level what are the functions proposed for the council could be asked. Now see, to give this industry, medical device industry, a boost, this is basically a sunrise sector, our Union Minister of Commerce and Industry in Civil Aviation, who is the minister, Mr. Suresh Prabhu, okay, he has announced to set up a National Medical Device Promotion Council under the Department of Policy and Promotion. You need to remember this, in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So Commerce Minister was speaking. This announcement was made on the occasion of 4th WHO Global Forum on Medical Devices, which was held at Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone in Visakhapatnam. So there's some other role of MedTech Zone in Visakhapatnam also. I will tell you that they will provide the technical support to this proposed council. Now just see, we will talk about National Medical Device Promotion Council here. This proposed National Council will be headed by Secretary of DIPP. So what is DIPP? I told you it is Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, and it would achieve convergence as medical device were covered under, because earlier medical device sector was covered under various ministries and departments, but now by doing this we are converging all those departments and ministries, and apart from these concerned departments, more representatives will be there from the healthcare industry and the quality QC institutions. Those are the quality control institutions. So you should know the composition of National Medical Device Promotion Council. This I already told you. Now see, what is the aim of this council, what are the objectives and activities undertaken by this council, what will they do? So see, they will act as a facilitating, promotional and development body for whom? For MDI. MDI is your medical device industry. They will also render technical assistance to the agencies and departments concerned to simplify the approval of processes for MDI promotion and development. Moreover, they will enable the entry of emerging interventions and support certifications for manufacturers to reach the levels of global trade and norms and lead India to an export-driven market in the sector. So these are the objectives and activities. There are some more. They will try to engage in best practices in the global market so that Indian manufacturers, our local companies, should also gain the same role as same dominance as the other countries are having. So they also want to make this MDI sector rise to international level of understanding regulatory and non-regulatory needs of this industry. Moreover, they will drive a robust and dynamic preferential market access policy by identifying the strengths of Indian manufacturers and discouraging unfair trade practices in imports. So they will also ensure proactive monitoring of public procurement notices across India to ensure the compliance with these PMA guidelines of this department, right? Now, moreover, they will also undertake validation from limited liability partnership. This will help boosting this sector more and more. Moreover, after going a little further, when it will start working, this council would also give recommendations to the government when they will have their proper feedback and observations on the global practices and what is needed in India. They will customized recommendations from this council will be given to the government. Now see, what is the significance of this council? First of all, why they have gone for such a move? See, the medical device industry, it plays a very critical role in healthcare ecosystem, and it is totally indispensable to achieve the goal of health for all citizens without such a council. So it will definitely boost the MDI sector, and it will improve our activities to achieve healthcare goals. Although this industry has been growing in double digits, it is predominantly import driven. So I will tell you in detail when we will conclude this lecture why it is import driven. With imports, it is accounting for 65% of our domestic market. Therefore, this council will look into this. We need to be an exporter in this field and not import driven. Now see, for the significance, the medical device industry, as it is playing a critical role in the sector, this council will boost the research and development, and the feedback will be given to government. Moreover, the setting up of council will spur domestic manufacturing, that we will boost our domestic manufacturers also in this sector. Now, what are the challenges which are in front of medical device industry that we need to look in? First is low penetration. So what does this low penetration means? The per capita medical device spending of there is like $3 US, which is compared to $7 in China and $42 US in Russia. So you can see there is low penetration in Indian market. The per capita medical device spending is very less as compared to China and Russia. Lack of accessibility. What does that mean? That Indian healthcare system is inadequate, inefficient and unevenly distributed. Why? See, 69% of Indian population, they live in rural areas, while 73% of qualified consult doctors reside in urban areas. So 8% of qualified doctors are in rural areas, and the remaining 19% are in semi-rural areas. So accessibility is also very low. Then if we talk about inadequate regulatory systems, see, non-alignment with global standards and the lack of quality product testing infrastructure are issues that hinder sectoral progress, this sector progress. And moreover, real estate prices, they are high capital cost, it limits the growth of delivery infrastructure, and insufficient attention of policy makers and a complete tax regime are also responsible for sectors underdevelopment. Now, the lack of comprehensive policy and focus to develop healthcare ecosystem is one of the reasons, and the limited attractiveness of India as a destination for medical devices due to uncertain regulations and pricing environment, unavailability of skilled resources and ease of doing business compared to other countries or other destinations in Asia. That is why this is also one of the challenges which our medical device industry face. So even lack of innovation is also one of the reason, because customization resulting in fewer options available to the patient in India. Now see, there's one more thing. This industry, in conclusion, how you can conclude this topic, that this industry is a sunrise industry. So what is a sunrise industry or a sunrise sector? An industry that produces new types of products and services, especially one that is expected to grow quickly. For example, what are the examples of other sunrise industries in a country? Like food processing industry, space tourism and biotechnology. Now, let's talk about medical device industry in India. How is it working? The medical device industry in India has steadily grown and is valued at about $5 billion. Now, as per industry estimates, the Indian medical device market will grow to $50 billion by 2025. These are the estimates. Now, currently, India is counted among top 20 global medical devices market and is the fourth largest medical devices market in Asia after Japan, China and South Korea. And up to 100% of foreign direct investment is permitted in medical device through automatic route. So this is the status of medical device industry in our country. So definitely this council will help boost up this industry and will reach to the global levels, because similar body was set up in pharmaceutical sector also, and that body was Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council. So after it was set up in 2004, that year, like financial year 2005, if you talk about pharmaceutical sectors, our exports were merely 17,857 crores, but after setting up this council, Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council, our exports rose to multiple folds. Like in financial year 2018, exports were $17.3 billion. So you can see, so definitely from this we can conclude that this council will definitely help boost our exports, and the sunrise industry, this sector will get benefit, and ultimately it will help our people and healthcare and help India achieve its healthcare goals. So for the PDF you can get it from Telegram, and if you have any confusion you can contact me on my social networks. Thank you.